Hello, APCSA students, and welcome to another beautiful day of Java programming. I want to go over today's plan with you so that you are clear on what you need to get done. First of all, you're going to notice that we do not have question of the day. I will get you caught up on that on Thursday. So on Thursday, we will have 2 questions of the day. Today, you're going to work on string literals and concatenation assignment. 2 meetings of plus lab. You'll review and watch the string objects video and take the video check, string methods and take the string methods video check, and then work on the intro to strings worksheet. You should not be playing any games. You have plenty to do today. So make sure you're getting your work done. Even though I'm off campus, I will be monitoring its learning, and if you need to send me a message to ask a question, you are welcome to do that. Homework for tonight is to read pages 206 to 208 in Java programming. We do have a reading check on Thursday over those 3 pages. Make sure you read pages 135 to 144 and 5 steps to a 5, and then finish your circle lab. Most of you still owe me circle lab, so we want to make sure we're getting that done. String literals and concatenation practice. This is a worksheet that the sub is going to hand out to you, so you do not need to download it and print it. If you forgot what I talked about on Friday as I reviewed numeric literals and strings working with the concatenation operator, there is a video that pretty much sums up what I went over on Friday, so you can watch that. And when you're finished with the worksheet, you will put it in the tray on the filing cabinet. The 2 meanings of plus lab is about working with the concatenation operator versus the plus operator. You can read the little intro there, and then you can download the lab. It is copy paste friendly, so there is starter source code there for you. You will write the answers to questions 1, 2, and 3 under section C in the instructions. Please paste those directly into the It's Learning text box rather than attaching a separate document. And then upload your Java file and your BlueJ terminal window for part 2. There's a little video here in case you need a little bit of help getting started. String objects. Any object reference variable stores the address where the object is stored in memory. Please watch the video on string objects and then complete the video check. String methods. Strings have actions known as methods. We will review a few of the methods associated with strings that are part of the built-in Java libraries. Please watch the video on string methods. Answer the 2 string method review questions right here. And then I want you to go through the useful string methods presentation. As a review, there are a number of useful methods when working with strings. Use the arrows at the bottom of the slide to advance to the next slide. So down at the bottom of the slide, you're going to see these arrows that will take you through the various slides. These are all going to be methods that we are going to be using in upcoming labs, worksheets, and an FRQ. You'll take the string methods video check. You will complete the intro to strings worksheet. Finish your area and circumference of a circle lab if that's not done. Again, there's only been a handful of you that have turned it in, so most of you are someplace within this lab. And then upcoming items, again, we have a reading check on Thursday over pages 206 to 208 in Java programming. And then our unit assessment is going to be approximately October 16th. I'm probably going to have to adjust that a little bit to take into account for PSAT testing on October 14th. Have a great day. I always tell my subs I have great classes, so you're one of those great classes. All right, get a lot done. I look forward to grading it all.